This is problem number 32 from the June 2015 Algebra Regents exam. We've got a landscaper that's making a rectangular flower bed so that the width is half the length, and the area is 34 square feet. It might help to just kind of visualize this, so I'm going to draw it out here. So we know the total area is 34 feet squared, and the width is half the length. So we'll have the length here and the width, which is half of the length, so 1/2 of L. And we need to write and solve an equation to determine the width of the flower bed to the nearest tenth of a foot. Well, of course, the area is length times width, and obviously we want it in terms of just one variable. So I'm going to write W in terms of L. So this is going to become L times 1/2 L equals 34. Then if we multiply these together, we'd get 1/2 L squared equals 34. Next, we could, to get rid of this fraction, we could multiply both sides of the equation by 2, and we'd get L squared equals double 34, which is 68, which means our length is equal to the square root of 68. And using our calculator, we would get about 8.246. Now, though, remember the question is asking us to find the width of the flower bed, not the length. But we do know the width is half of the length. So all we need to do is take the length and cut it in half, or divide by 2. And if we're going to round that to the nearest tenth of a foot, we should get 4.1 feet. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.